questions. Ameya, acha ചോദിക്കും പറയാം. വൈകിട്ട് വിളിച്ചു. പഞ്ചമഹാഭൂതം. Three doshas. Saptadhadus. Three malas. Three gunas. Two viryas. Two chikitsa. Panchadharma. 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 Four padas. Four padas. Parijaraga. Okay. Now three slokas. What is Ayurveda? Okay, now Ameya, what is Roga? Now Ameya, last question, who is Sotta? So she told one sloga from Charaka, one sloga from the definition of Charaka in Charaka Saptaha, one sloga from Bhagavata, Rogosu Dosha Vaishya, one sloga from Susuda Samadosha, and Ameya last message. So thank you. So this was only to tell that anybody can learn Ayurveda because Ayurveda is the part and parcel of the gene and chromosome of any Indian. So anybody can learn Ayurveda. He doesn't know what is BAMF.